Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this flavorful jerk chicken pasta recipe. Stay tuned. For today's recipe, I'll be using about a pound and a half of boneless chicken thighs. All right, and you're also going to need some all-purpose seasoning. This is about a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon of jerk seasoning, and you're also going to need about a teaspoon of jerk seasoning, hot and spicy Walker's wood, just like that. And then you just want to nice and slowly, mix it in nice and slow, just like that. Now we're gonna set this aside for about 5 minutes and then get our pan nice and hot. Now you want to turn your stove to about a medium-high heat, guys. Add a little drizzle of vegetable oil. So as you can see right now, guys, the pan is nice and hot, all right? So we're just gonna go ahead and drop our chicken right in. We're gonna cook this for about 6 minutes or until it's fully cooked. All right, guys, so after about 6 minutes, your chicken should be fully cooked and it should look something like this. This is the color you're looking for, all right? So we're just gonna remove this from the pan, set it aside, and start working on our other ingredients, all right? Stay tuned. At this point, you want to turn your stove to about a medium heat. Add about a tablespoon of salted butter. Just a little bit, not much. Yes, guys, so right here, so we have the fresh ingredients. Then we have some fresh garlic, onion, bell pepper, carrots, green onion, and all that good stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and drop it in, and then we're gonna give it a nice little mix. Yes, guys, so we're just gonna stir this up for about a minute. We're just trying to pull out some of that flavor, extract some of that flavor, from the garlic, the onion, and all that good stuff, the peppers and all that, yeah. Then we're gonna drop in some broccoli. We're gonna add some broccoli inside of this mixture right about now. Drop it in. Yeah, man. Mix it up same way. Smelling so good right now, guys. So good. Give it a nice little mix. Just like that. Now we're gonna add some more of this Walker's wood jerk seasoning. Add a little spiciness to it. So about a tablespoon more. Mix them up. Just like that. And then I'm gonna add some heavy cream. Add some heavy cream to this mixture. Add a decent amount. Mix it up same way. I'm also gonna add some creamy Alfredo sauce, and this is gonna help our sauce to become a little bit thicker. So we're just gonna add about half of this container right here. I'm also gonna add some Parmesan cheese. About a half cup, not much. Mix it up, just like that. So this is my pasta right here. My penne pasta is already cooked. You want to cook your pasta for about 8 to 12 minutes, all right? Go ahead and add that. Like I said, guys, this is about 4 cups of penne pasta. Mix it in. Nice and slow. You know, just allow the sauce, you know, to work its way into the pasta, you know? Yeah, man. This is gonna be a nice, creamy jerk chicken pasta recipe. And once the cheese is fully melted and the sauce, you know, is nice and thick, you know, everything should be good. All right, so this is the finished product right here. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.